Hey everyone, today I'm going to be swatching the Marylia Scott Cosmetics highlighter palette. I was sent this in PR, so thank you so much, Marylia. I can't wait to see what else you come out with. So if you want to see swatches, just keep watching. I will also be doing face swatches as well. First off, I want to say the packaging is gorgeous. It comes in this little sleeve, which is holographic, beautiful. And then this is obviously what the palette looks like. This is holographic as well. There is no mirror, which, you know, I always prefer a mirror, but for a highlighter palette, it doesn't really matter to me. These are stunning. They are more intense, so if you like an intense glow like moi, this is up your alley. If you like the color story, which I do, I was a little intimidated since I am so fair, but honestly, I think most of these will work for me, and I can always use a lighter hand or mix them together. I mean, you guys saw the swatches. These are stunning, but they look better in person, especially the top one. It's very glittery and it's beautiful. I personally really like it. All of them were really pigmented except for the top one. The top one is definitely more of like a glittery one, but I like that. Like, I will like douse my face in that. These though are just so stunning. My favorite is definitely the purple and the glitter. I just really like these. I was sent this in PR, so thank you so much. I am so excited to see all the products she comes out with. Honestly though, no matter what I do, you cannot see how glittery these are. They're very good. Those, the blue and the yellow aren't glittery. The other ones have more glitter particles in them. I really do like these, and I'm excited to use them like every day. I really am excited for this highlighter palette, and I'm honestly excited to put these on my face. Thank you again, Marylia, for sending me these. I'm so excited to use these in like all my Instagram posts. So this is all the shades blended together. It's honestly the most beautiful glow ever. I'm so happy I have this palette now. You guys know I love a blinding highlighter.